Don't you hate it when your feet freeze during the winter time? What do you do when your windshield heater works, the dash heater works good, but your floor heater doesn't work so good? So do you replace your blower motor? No, it's too cold for that shit, and it's more easy to break plastic panels. So maybe when summer rolls around, then you might have time to deal with that shit and you'll have the money and parts to do so. We're looking for the fastest way to fix this floor heater issue right now. How about a regular household heater while you drive? No, that shit looks like a fire hazard waiting to happen, and you'll probably burn your legs with that too close to you. Here's the quickest solution. Get yourself some winter socks and double up your socks, mixed with some winter boots that got some fur insulation inside of them. This is the fastest way to fix your floor heater issue when your feet are freezing during the winter time. For those people I see who always wear sneakers because they gotta rock in style during winter, there are boots out there, that got some warmth to it and some style. So don't use the sneakers walking around, with the ankle opening, getting more snow into your shoes, making yourself freeze even more during winter. I'll leave a link below where you can find boots that got some style to it, so you ain't freezing this winter time when you're driving. Stay warm out there.